Well, that didn't last long. You know what I'm going to do now? I'm going to fix the family a meal. I spent the afternoon here later today cleaning up the area here that I created last year, buying a lot of nice little furniture and patio set here for my mother-in-law. And I'm going to get over to the McGriddle and I'm going to make a nice evening meal. So the timeout lasted probably about maybe 3 minutes. So watch me make a nice evening meal for my mother-in-law, wife, and kid with my little food cart. How about that idea? The grill, McGriddle, I don't know if you know about these or not, but pretty cool. The Blackstone, they're not that expensive either. And they really are nice. Kind of tricky in how you use them, but I really do like it. So I got my little cart over here. I'm making hamburgers, hot dogs, grilled onions, grilled mushrooms. So have some grilled beans and have chips and salsa. Nothing really extravagant, but just a really nice evening here down in the Jonesboro, Tennessee area. Just beautiful. So we're going to enjoy the evening. Hopefully the wind dies down a little bit. If it does, it really is going to be a really nice evening for us to have a nice dinner here and just kind of chill out. So, and with a little bit of luck, the wind is dying down. And I think it'll be a really nice, enjoyable evening as I prepare a nice little meal. So stay tuned for the Friday evening. No, it's Thursday. Wow. Oh, isn't there anything better than good old grilled onions, some grilled mushrooms on your hamburger? Grilled onions, grilled mushrooms, some good old sharp cheddar cheese, some tomatoes, some lettuce. What do you think, huh? I think I'm going to do all right. I think we'll be eating good. Then we're going to have some brockwurst or bratwurst or beef knockwurst. How about that? I think it's really good. Or we'll have some hot dogs, regular hot dogs here. You see here, I put the butter on the griddle, heat it all up, have some baked beans. We're gonna have some chips and salsa. I think we're gonna do all right. I think we're gonna have a really nice dinner. I think it's not too bad out here. We won't sit here real long. I think we can eat and kind of deal with it. As long as the sun's out, that's why I'm cooking a little early, so we can enjoy the sunshine and eat good meal. Hey, how about this for outdoor living, right? Got the turbo heater on, keep the wife, mother-in-law nice and cozy, a little noisy, but you know what? Wow, it is toasty warm. I'm loving that. Got the music playing. We're doing all right this Thursday before the Good Friday. Now, how about that? There's the husband, the father, and the son-in-law. Got the kid, the wife, and the mother-in-law some flowers. And I thought that my mother-in-law would like these. Thought that the kid would like these. And I thought that the wife would like these. So we just kind of mixed it all up here for them. And what do you think there, huh? I got the hamburgers going, the mushrooms, grilling the hell out of the freaking onions, maybe a little overcooked there. And now I gotta put on the knockwurst. And that's up next. So how does it all turn out, right? We got some good dipping salsa. I should say good dipping for our carrots and ranch dressing. Buttercup dressing, that good? Good stuff. Even Kiefer's hungry. How'd you like the dinner? Good stuff, right? There we are. What a great evening for us here in Tennessee. As the Kiefer dog wants to play. The Kiefer dog just wants to play. As this evening, the sun sets, which is a beautiful, I call it God's country. I really do. I think it's just such a beautiful area. Hope we can get some motorcycle riding in. But a little cool out, so I'll kind of pass out today. Now, you couldn't ride, but a little chilly. So Saturday's supposed to be 70. Tomorrow is supposed to be 60, so we'll kind of evaluate tomorrow what's going on. As we had a really great evening out here on the bottom porch, and my mother-in-law and wife don't like to be videoed, so you're not going to see that. But I made a really nice meal for everybody. Everybody's belly is full. They're happy. So what about Kiwi Boy, who's in the new property? And he's kind of running amok by himself. Where'd he go? There he is down there. Kind of letting him play to have some freedom. And there's no other dogs out and about, so I think we're okay. He's curious about that tree down there. Look at that. He's like, what the hell was that, Daddy? Good dog. He is really turning out to be a pretty damn good dog, thank God. So anyways, another beautiful evening on Ice Age TV with the F450 down here and the Ram TRX. We got some power. Think how much power we got down here. We got over 1,000 pounds of power and some serious torque. So anyways, as always, what are you going to watch tomorrow morning? What's my morning video tomorrow? I've got a great idea for tomorrow's video. So for the morning conversation, definitely tune in. You got a great idea. So stay tuned for that and check out my morning conversations. As always, God bless, stay safe, and have a great evening.